Hey friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if it's your first time here. How is your weekend so far? I hope you guys are good. I'll just jump straight to the video. Today I'm doing a mini refresh in my bedroom. These are the old curtains. They have been here for a while and I have been wanting to change them but never been able to. But today I'm glad I will do that and I'm excited that you guys are joining. These are the curtains that I'm putting up. They are not so new. I think I've kept them for like a year, but the white shears are new. I've wanted them because of the much light they bring to the room. I got all this from Nal's Interiors, my girl Tina Judy. I will leave her link in the description box. Please don't forget to go and support her. This is how it looks like. I'm already loving it. I think that it has made so much difference already. What do you guys think? For my Lugandan audience, old video ya leero ndikugabanako naawe obuntu obutonotono bw'oyinza okukyusa mu kisenge kyo ne kikyuka ne kibanga ekipya wadde nga tokozesezza ssente nnyingi. N'ekyokubiri, ebintu ebitonotono ebyo ebitateekeddwa kubula mu kisenge kyo wadde nga kifunda kitya. Ye video ya leero. Please bw'obanga gwe mulundi gw'okusoosa okujja wano ku channel yange mbadde nkusaba subscribinga tweyongere okuba nga tulaba ebyakabi bingi. Sinza omugezi ennyo naye ngabanako akatono ke mmanyi nti kayinza okututwala ffenna mu maaso ku lw'amaka amalungi. Essuuka z'olaba njalako nazigula mu Senana hypermarket, nazisabuukulula bulungi n'enzooza n'enzigololako nga sinaba kuzeebakamu. Bw'obanga oli mpya ku channel yange okimanyi nti okugolola kye kintu kye nsinga obutaagalira ddala era nkiwaga ogwo omulundi gwange ogwali gusimba ey'okuzigololako. Kubanga engeri gye zaali mpya nali nina okumala okuzooza then nzigolole olwa chemicals eziteekebwamu nga bazipaakinga. Bannange obusuuka bulungi nnyo. Buli mu piro nnya nkiwa abasinga kye twagala kubanga oba zinaalwisaako oba oyagala okyuse piro keesi oteekeko endala. Yes, ziri mu piro nnya ate bugonvu nnyo oba omaze okukoozaako oba n'okagololako oba osobodde bugonvu nnyo ekiyitiridde buwulikika bulungi. Okimanyi after olunaku lulamba okwoye weetaaga okwebaka ewantu nga wanyirira nga you know kyekyo. For my English audience, I was saying that these are new beddings that I got from Senana hypermarket, but before I lay them on the bed, I had to wash them first and iron them because of the chemicals that they put in while packing. And I said that this is probably the last time I'll be ironing these bed sheets. As you guys all know, I hate ironing, yeah, but since it was the first time, I had to do it. And this is not the fine arrangement of the bed. I later changed it if you see the end of the video. Yeah.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heart be needed, skipping out, no I can't keep
bedside cupboard oba webatyo babuyita munanyamba ne munterezaako mu comment section. Obuntu buno bwa mugaso nnyo mu kisenge ebiseera ebisinga kwe tusaze alarm clock kwe tusuza amasimu gaffe oba oyina babebi abanywa ekiro kwosazi boto oba abantu abakulu abanywa ekiro ntegeza amazzi yes kwogawumuliza ekiro. So ne woba tokalina ng'olina ekitanda nga tekaliiko osobola okukabagisa ogendewo omubazzi batera obbukolayo busimpo oba oluusi ne bwa ready made nabo bubaayo ogulako akacoordinatinga n'ekitanda kyo. For the longest time okumala ekiseera ekiwanvu mbadde nninako ekimuli ekyo kyolaba nzigyeko kubanga mbadde siraba nnyo obwetaavu bwa bedside lamp naye bwe natuusa ekiseera nga mpulira njagala neŋŋenda ne nginoonya era nafunye coordinatinga n'ekitanda kyange nga bulina colors ezimu waggulu awo ng'ekitanda ne bedside lamp bwetyo gye nafunye saafunye eyawukana nnyo na kiki ennina. Era nafunye akasaamusaamu akajja mu kifo ekyo kyennyini kyenjagala saafunye nnyini enneewanvu weeyite ku kitanda nafunye era akapimapimamu okugeraageranya nga kwegamba kabulira mu kitanda mwennyini n'olowooza nti kaako. Ate bedside lamp zino situziteekamu ettaala etawoggana nnyo wadde we nakolera vidiyo eno nali sirina ttaala eyo naye nga oteekamu ettaala eri awo eziimeera etawogganawoggana nnyo yeeno okakozesaako olwolumu mu biseera byebyo eby'eddembe obitegedde mukyala yes.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper.
I think every bedroom should have a chair or somewhere you can sit besides the bed, relax after a long day, throw your bag in there, put your leg up. Yes, that should be a chair, or if you can get anything other than that, somewhere you can sit besides the bed. I will also get a plant in here. I have been wanting to get one for so long. Scientists say that it's good for the eyes to always be looking at green. So you guys tell me, do you think this is an artificial plant or a natural one? Please let me know in the comment section below. Then I will also change my makeup mirror. The one I had wasn't doing me any justice, so I got this one. I'll get a new one. You'll see it in the video, and it looks so beautiful. After that, I will light a candle. You know that every bedroom should smell a certain way. I went for the Karoba scents. This one is Home Sweet Home. You guys, it smelled so good. Bachala mufune bukando buno bawita bwa Karoba busangibwa mu Mega Standard Supermarket. They are so good. Then I'll also get a laundry basket because you guys, if you have been here for a while, you know that I've been picking my laundry from the floor, the dirty clothes. Yes, so I finally got a good looking laundry basket, the one that I could afford. You see it in the video. I all said this at once because I didn't want you guys to I didn't want to interrupt you guys later in the video.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. Take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. Take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. Take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
I put these plate chargers here using the double sole tape, but I'm starting to doubt. I don't think they deserve to be here. What do you guys think? I feel like I should probably take them off this wall and find another place for them. This is how my bedroom looks like after everything. These new curtains, they bring in so much light. Even when it gets darker and you draw the curtain, it's still very lightful in here. I will have a clip for you at the end of the video.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run.
This is during the night. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here up until now. I hope I motivated you or inspired you in some kind of way. Please let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Please give me a like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel or you have been watching and you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. Bachala, my Lugandan audience, mwebale nnyo kulaba. Please subscribing and sharing ne video ne bannamwe abalala tweyongere okuyiga ebitonotono bitumanyi mumpe ku magezi nga nange mbawa ku magezi. Up until the next upload, thank you again. God bless you guys. Bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind.